In this tutorial we will show you how to manage your WooCommerce product images and galleries. Once you are in the All Products section of your WordPress dashboard, simply click on the Edit button under one of your products. Adding product images and galleries could be done from the right-hand side of the page. These options are also available when you add new products to your website. You could either choose an already existent image from your media library or upload a new one. We will now set the main image for our product. To finalize the process, click the Set Product Image button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, we will upload an image and put in the gallery of our product. Once you are ready, simply click the Update button. When your product is visited, these images would be shown in the following manner.